So guys, I keep these squishies because they're so cute. And the squishy one says, I love you. And the one says, I love you, y'all. And this said, I love this one. This is and this is this one. And this is so cute. They're so cute. Guess the Roblox is inside here. I don't like it. I'm gonna keep this one. 3 of them. And this is a cushy, not a shoe and like a face. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.